Welcome to the technical networking event for August 12, 2020. Varuga Chandramurthy, Hari Navneet, Swagatamu Priyanka, Bienvenido Mario, Bienvenido Yuridia, Bienvenido Elian Pimte, and Swagat Sumit. I'm waiting for all of you. So let's wait for a few more minutes and we can get started. So first, can you all hear me and see the screen?
Yeah, I'm
Fantastic,
able
Mario.
to.
I can hear you. Welcome. Bienvenido. How are you? Fantastic. So let's get started. And so those who are joining late can just type in the chat box. So first, please type in the chat box or just answer on your phone. Mira Unaru Priyanka, ¿cómo estás, Mario? कैसे हैं? Chandra, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Can you just type in the chat box or just speak?
Yeah, I'm good, Tangishri. Thank you. Hope you're doing well too.
Thank you so much. Mario, I'm doing good. Thank you so much. So this is my first technical networking event starting on August 12, 2020. Why did I start this? I did a survey asking people the problems, and this was the most top problem where they said that they are working all the time and they don't have any social work, and most of the time they work, some are working 24/7. And this is a common problem where people in jobs do not have job satisfaction, or they are just fired and they need a job, or those who are freelancing do not get the clients. And it is a great struggle to have a balanced life with proper pay and get the challenging project or role you need. So networking is a very important aspect to survive in the IT world. Hence, this has been born to first have a good time by bringing the best minds together, where we will be just talking. So it's not about me, it's about each of you. You will be talking based on the number of people. So if there are lesser people, you can talk for 15 minutes or even 1 hour, and you can just talk and we can just connect with each other and just be comfortable. So you can just get ready with your name, your current time, what are the skills or languages known, the designation, what are the career goals. And so since this is the first time, probably I'll start with myself. My name is Thangu, or Thangeshwari is my full name. I'm currently located in Bangalore, India, and my clients are in USA. I work in US timings. I've been working since 2006 for various clients in various technologies like .NET, C Sharp, HTML, web development, and SharePoint since 2007. And I've been freelancing since 2015, both as a trainer, author, and a consultant. And I've been freelancing as well as I was in a job before, so I know the problems in both job and freelancing. And my goal is to help people find their clients and projects in the long run. So I'm still in the process. My goal is to help many find their target clients and projects easily once I find the solution myself. And also I have over 300 plus videos in SharePoint. I can help people to learn SharePoint if they are new in PowerShell or many other technologies. And if you have a product idea, I would love to convert that to a solution with the help of SharePoint or any technology. So I consider myself to be a good coder and a speaker. I love to speak in international technical events. And this particular networking event, I want people to share any opportunities, either job or freelancing. So today I will be sharing one which is just a web development. Once my network grows, I will be sharing. So this is just a very formal one. So Maria, can you please get started and just uh, talk about yourself, your name. Welcome, Euridia. Thank you so much for joining. First of all, thank you so much, all of you, for joining. Mario, sorry if I spelled your name wrong. Can we just get started with you, Mario? Can you talk about yourself for a few minutes? Welcome, Euridia. Can you hear me? Okay. Chandra, are you there? Can you please start and just.
Yeah, sure. Hi guys. So this is Chandramurthy. I'm from India, Chennai. Here the time is 9:20, and my skills. I've been into SharePoint since my starting of my career, which is 2011. So it's been around nearly 9+ years in SharePoint. So I've worked on almost all the versions, starting from 2007, 10, 13, 16, 19, and the online versions. Recently, I've moved my skills from SharePoint, and I've slowly moved into Azure as well recent days. And in my part time, I've been slowly working on WordPress as well. So I don't know, I've got interest in WordPress recent times, so I've been working with WordPress as well. So these are the skills, technical skills for me. And designation, I'm working as a technology lead in a company called the Smart Tech Consultancy Services, as well as I've been trying to register my own startup, Technorex. So I'll be giving more details maybe during our next call. So these are all some technical things about me. And regarding the problems, yeah, basically what Thangu said is right, actually. At the starting of my career, maybe starting of my career as a freelancer, I've been working for very less amount because getting the gigs, they were not always easy for a fresher to start as a freelancer. At first, I started my freelancing career with, $10 $10 or $12 from there. So it's very hard, you have to work 2 hours and you have to bill for only 1 hour because that's the time you have committed with the client. So these were some sort of difficulties we were facing at the start. If you increase your hourly rate, you will not be getting any jobs and all. So there were so many issues working with platforms like Upwork, TopTal, and freelancer. And as my networking was not that much good with other fellow freelancers, so it was very hard for me to get a work in through referral. So all the works that I was getting were through this one only. I mean, through forums only. So the slowly in my past 2 years, I've grown, and uh, for now, things are going good in terms of freelancing as well as my startup things. So and achievements, I would say my biggest achievement would be my company because that's my dream, and it's slowly getting established. So maybe in a month or so I'll be fully establishing my company, and I'll have a couple of members I'll be recruiting, and I'll slowly start my startup thing. So that's all, at least for my introduction for now, guys. So thanks, Tangu. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Chandra. It's a great honor for us to have you here, and I never expected an expert like you to have time and come for this event. So you can help many. So Mario just mentioned that she's new to SharePoint. So I would love to hear Mario talk. Can you please unmute and talk if possible? Will that be okay? If you want to chat, that's also fine. Can you hear me, Mario? Let me know if I'm pronouncing your name correct. Don't worry about the English, Mario. We are just. I've been working uh, as a coder for many years, and clients in US don't care about my English. It's just coding. I understand. I am a coder and I love to type. So if you want, you can type, but we would love to hear you because this is an international networking, and we would love to hear your words. I think we are developers and we can understand. Is that fine? And me and Chandra are just coders like you, and we are just humans. And if you're okay, I'm not forcing you to speak, but we would love to hear you if possible. Is that fine, Maria and Chandra?
Yeah. Totally good. No issues.
Or you can talk, you can just type and I can read it out. Is that fine, Mario? So, first, I would like to ask your name and your current location. Can you please type your current location, Mario? Fantastic. Welcome. Mario is from Chile. May I know your language, please? Is it Spanish? Espanol. So I am trying to learn Spanish. So for this event, I was trying to learn different languages. So I'm interested to learn Espanol. Thank you so much. And can you type your skills and whether you're like your current, are you working in a job or working as a freelancer? What are the problems you're facing, or just anything? Are you working as a coder? What is your current designation? Are you facing any difficulties learning SharePoint? And if you want to learn English, I can help you out if needed. It's like I can give you the tips needed if you want to learn English, and I have the contacts of some people who teach English if needed. Mario, can you please type the problems you're facing right now and the achievements in your life?
Hola.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Mario.
Hi. Eh, um, ¿Pueden entenderme el español?
Uh, you can speak. We'll try to understand. Go ahead.
Eh, okay. I can. No, tengo muchos problemas para hablar el inglés. Si pueden continuar, puedes escucharlo e ir tratando de entender la mayoría de cosas.
Thank you so much. I'll try to use a translator, understand. And So in SharePoint, what are you doing in SharePoint? Are you working on SharePoint projects? Thank you so much for speaking. I I have loved to hear you. Thank you so much, Mario. So, and thank you so much for joining today. So today is just the beginning, and I'll be sending out a recording also. So, the goal of this is to create a strong support system to help each other grow, to encourage each other, to celebrate the victories, to prevent problems, no competition, to have good times, to listen to each concern, and solve them. So today I thank you, Mario, for coming, and so I would love to connect with you one-on-one, Mario, if possible, to help you out in English and also in SharePoint if needed. So please feel free to just, I'll be contacting you in email, or we can just connect in one later to just understand your needs better. So, and also, I would like to thank Chandra for coming. And I have listened to your problems where you're having difficulties to get the clients as a freelancer. So I know you're an expert. So from my end, I'm also trying to find clients. And if I face, and whenever my victory, I'll keep sharing. Like if I found a technique to find the client who will pay very well monthly, I'll be sharing that to you immediately. And if I get the client opportunity and if I'm busy, I'll try to refer you, and I'll keep you in mind for any good opportunities. Chandra, definitely you're going to succeed with your own startup as well as your freelancing, and we both can win. So that definitely we can win. So for freelancing, I'll be trying to help. And if others who have joined, please think of the achievement problems and you can email or just share them in the chat box in the networking event. So this is just a beginning. So we are just trying to create a strong environment where we can encourage each other and celebrate victory. And Mario, if you need help to understand English, or I'll try to learn Spanish, and we can, I would love to work with you on a SharePoint project if needed,
Okay.
Mario. Okay.
Actually, my client, um, I can support systems the SharePoint. Uh,
Fantastic.
my client uh, was try uh, developer in your systems the SharePoints. Um, but I can developer in your system. I don't know SharePoint.
Okay. So I
Uh,
know SharePoint, I was a trainer. So probably we can connect one on one and try to discuss. Will that be fine, Mario? Like, do you need help to learn SharePoint?
yeah, I need help in my SharePoint or not my SharePoint. SharePoint the of a client.
Okay, sure, I
Uh,
can help you if needed. So you're speaking English so well, Mario. Thank you so much. So you are saying that your client has SharePoint and you want to help, you're new to SharePoint. So I have a lot of videos. I will send you the links to my channel and you can subscribe and watch. And also when you're free, we can try to connect and I can try to completely understand your needs and help. Uh, do I have to slow down, Mario, for you to understand?
yeah.
Okay. Uh, so sorry for being very fast. So I think it's almost just we'll be coming to an end soon. So Mario, thank you for sharing your requirement that you have a client using SharePoint system and you are new to SharePoint. So I was a SharePoint trainer and I will send you an email and we can discuss and I can help you to probably learn English as well as do SharePoint projects on your client. Is that clear?
Appear.
Fantastic. So now I will be sharing the secrets which I have been using for many years for my SharePoint projects. when you are doing a project, first you should not jump to coding. First, you understand the requirement thoroughly, understand what others want, analyze, do the design document, that is, draw the requirement, understand, design what technology, how you have to do the design, and finally jump to coding. In SharePoint, no need to do coding directly. There are very good solutions in SharePoint without code. So you need to start without code only. And in SharePoint or any project, you need to have a development environment, a UAT, and a production environment. So development environment where you will do the project, and UAT is like test environment which is not the live environment, and production environment is where you will be releasing the code. So if this is not clear, don't worry. Just take the next 2 points. Whenever you're doing your work, make sure you have a backup of the code or you do a blog of your work so that you don't have to redo your work. Take a backup of your work always. Start blogging if possible. And when you do a system, you need to ask questions. How much data will the system handle? Can it handle 100 data, or will there be 1000 data or millions of records? In SharePoint, there are performance issues when it reaches beyond 5000 and you need to do some tweaks so that it works. But just today, take some uh, just understand that when you have a requirement, understand there are 4 stages: analysis, design, coding, testing. This is just my secrets. Chandra, if you have some secrets, please do share.
Yeah, for now, whatever you said is perfect, Thangu. So this is how I also approach each and every problem there.
So you are great in SharePoint, Chandra. I have looked up to you on many sites, and if you
Thank
can
you.
share any other like any other not secret, I mean anything you have worked in SharePoint which you want to share to those to new
Yeah,
share.
basically, I follow a simple approach, guys. Uh, First of all, SharePoint gives you most of the solutions for your problems. You don't have to start coding from the scratch, or start as a developer. You don't have to code for everything. SharePoint gives you most of the solutions for your problems. So my approach should be, first try to use the web parts and the options that are available in SharePoint. If that is not working, then uh, look if you can use other services like flows or power apps or other services to handle your problem. Even that is not happening, try to customize your web parts to achieve your solution. If that is not working, then if coding is the only way, then first of all try to work it out on a client side solution, because it is very lightweight and you don't have to give too much work to the server. So try to do everything on the client side first. In case if that is also not possible, your solution is only possible on server side, then you have to go to the server side, because you have to keep server side object model as your last option. That's how I usually approach all the solution guys. So first of all, try to resolve everything within SharePoint and its ecosystem without touching the code. If nothing is happening for your requirement, then you have to go for client side, and finally it should be on the server side. That's how I approach my problems actually.
I completely agree with you, Chandra. So this is exactly the a standard which anyone should follow in SharePoint. So first start with the no code solutions, the web parts that are already available. then go for Power Apps or Flow, then finally start customizing and with client side solution, and finally server side. Is that correct, Chandra?
Yep.
Thank you so much. So we'll just stop with all the introduction and all that now. So this part I really want, as the network grows, I want people to share any opportunities. So for today, if you are watching the recording, this is the job opportunity, and probably I'll send the updates in email. And those who are interested, as of now, I'm starting with a web developer, uh, because that is the only opportunity. I know slowly I think I can also get remote SharePoint opportunities. So this opportunity is from individual business owner in USA, Texas. I forgot the region, called Vinod. I got the opportunity to like listen to his business secrets, and they were fantastic. So he has shared a business requirement where he needs full stack developer for 5+ years experience and 6 lakh per annum. And if you or any of your friends need a job opportunity for full stack developer, you can just reach out to the link which is shown here, or I will share it in the email. And if you also have any job opportunities, kindly share. So we are just approaching the end. So for today, I will just stop here. We just had a great presence of Chandra and Mario, and thank you so much for joining. In webinars, the problem is people, they so many registered, around 10 registered, but actually coming for the event is a great challenge. And I'm very thankful to Mario, Euridia. I'm sorry that you had to leave. I don't, Euridia and Chandra who could join. So thank you so much for joining. And so I'll keep in touch with you in email. So if interested, you can connect directly so with each other also. And after this event, I will be sending the recording in 1 or 2 days. Uh, if you do you want me to send an email one on one or to everyone? Do you all want to connect with each other? Let me know your thoughts, or just directly.
I don't have a problem, Tango. It's up to Mario. I don't have an issue.
Okay, if I put everyone and send, is that okay, Chandra?
Yes. That's totally fine.
Fantastic. So, first of all, thank you so much. So, anyway, I think it's more than an hour. I will try to wait, but I'll be stopping the recording. I'll be waiting for others also. But thank you so much for all of you who joined. Thank you very much, Maria. Gracias, Maria. And Mikka Nandri Chandra. Thank you so much.
Thanks
And
a lot.
thanks to others who are watching the recording who wanted to join, like Navneet, Hari, Priyanka, Sumit. Hope that we can connect later one on one or in the next networking event. So, with this, we end the networking. And if you are interested in such a networking, you can just register from the description or in the email sent. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks.